Hey guys, my name's Vanessa, and I'm going to be your science person this year. If you're taking biology or earth science or the GED science test, just wanted to say welcome to science and welcome back to the crazy 2020-2021 school year. I wanted to give you a walkthrough of the courses that you're taking, just so you feel comfortable getting through Schoology. If you're watching this video, you already know how to log into Schoology, but just in case you forget, there is a Schoology, logging into Schoology video that I have in the same folder, the Start Here folder. Yeah, so let's get started. When you log into a class in Schoology, you want to go up to courses. That's where you find all your classes, okay? And I'm going to start with biology. Um, Biology and any other class will initially land you in this update section, and we'll post all sorts of important information here about like deadlines for quizzes or tests or any important information that's coming up like parent teacher conferences, stuff like that. I'm going to close this. All right, so what you want to do is you want to go up here to materials to access all the stuff you actually need to complete the class. All right. And you need to finish pretty much everything in the Start Here folder before you can move on to the actual academic, biology or science stuff. So head up to Start Here. The first thing you'll see is a video of me saying hi and introducing myself. And then you'll see, syllabus, instructions on submitting assignments in Schoology. I do want to point out that you guys have to start on your classwork, do this Google Chat tutorial and the assignment attached to it. So you guys have to basically upload Google Chat. Since we're virtual this year, we are going to be using Google Chat to contact you guys pretty frequently. So it can be on your computer or your smart device or phone or whatever. But this is your first true assignment of the semester, or I guess it's just a session, not a semester. All right. So check all this out and let me know. I'm going to work on my numbering system there. Let me know if you need help with any of this. If you look in the syllabus, it has all of the information you should need for the course. Generally, it has my email address, it has my phone number, it has my hours, and so you can also, go through here and see what we're gonna study and what you need and what the grading policies are. Yeah, let me know if you need anything. Let's see here. Back to Schoology. Okay, so once you get through this Start Here folder and you have finished your Google Chat tutorial and your assignment associated with it, you want to head back to section 1 and dumps you into updates, but go back to materials and start session 1. Ecology is our first semester's worth of info. So as you'll probably recall, we're taking 20 days to learn a whole semester's worth of material. So instead of breaking our folders into, weeks or quarters, we just did session 1 and then day 1 through 20. Okay, so you should find day by day everything you'll need to complete this course in these folders. So we'll start with day 1, Intro to Ecology and Ecological Terms. I click on it and it's got 3 assignments. So here's what this code means. The S1 means session 1, D1 means day 1, A1 means assignment 1. So then the next one is session 1, day 1, A2, session 1, day 1, A3. And you're doing basically 4 or so days worth of work every day because of our shortened number of days available and our 3-hour sessions. All right, so in session 1, that 3-hour session, when you're here with me on day 1, you're going to complete all of this work and also the Google Chat assignment. Okay, so that's how the coding works. That's how you know where you're at and if you're on task on track. So again, if you have any questions about this, let me know. You can submit assignments. I'll grade them to you and get them back to you as quickly as possible. And that's it. That's it for now. So just keep me posted if you need anything. Take care. Bye.